Hi friends, Miss Arwood here. Oh, I'm so glad you came today. I'm so glad I came today too. I didn't think I was going to make it. See, I was running late from my appointment and I was very concerned that I would miss our lesson. But then I remembered I learned a new shortcut or a quicker way to get to where I needed to go. And I used that and here I am and I'm so happy. And you know what is the wildest thing is that a shortcut kind of has to do with our learning goal for today. Our learning goal for today says, I can read common abbreviations. Well, what's an abbreviation? An abbreviation is a shortened way to write a word or a word shortcut. Okay, so today we're going to look at words. We're going to try to make them smaller, a little bit faster to use. And we're going to be practicing those in some sentences. So here we go. The first shortcut we're going to talk, The first abbreviation we're going to talk about is an abbreviation for the word doctor. We can say the word doctor, or we can also write the word doctor using this abbreviation. Now, we're really only going to use the abbreviation for doctor when we're talking about like a specific doctor. For example, this is my doctor, Dr. Jenkins. So the sentence says, Dr. Jenkins has been my doctor for years. Now, I can use doctor, the abbreviation for it, when I'm talking about her specifically. But if I'm talking about just general doctors, I want to write out the whole word. A lot of times abbreviations are for something specific, okay? All right. Now, what do you notice about this abbreviation? Yeah, it had a capital and then there was a period, right? That's kind of to let the reader know that that's an abbreviation. It's not a full word. And then that helps our brains to know how to say it. In this case, DR is going to be doctor. All right, let's try some more. People have abbreviations. There are different abbreviations like MS period stands for Miss, like yours truly, Miss Arwood. And MR stands for Mr. Okay? Now, people can choose what they want. Like someone who's married could use a different abbreviation, which we'll talk about, or they might opt to just use one of these abbreviations. But these are some pretty common ones for someone who's not married or someone who just prefers the title of Ms. And then Mr. is for a lot of fellas. So let's read some sentences using Miss and Mr. Our principal is Miss Arton. Mr. Arton has a cat named Benny. Okay, do you see how even though it's abbreviation, I said the word that it's abbreviating? That's really what the abbreviation's for. It's really for when we're writing to give us a shortcut, okay? Now, like I said, married people might want to do different abbreviations, especially the women. So they might go by Mrs., and it's just MRS period. And if they're a fellow, they might stay with Mr. Okay, let's read some sentences using Mr. and Mrs. Here we go. Mr. Penton held a party for the neighborhood. Mrs. and Mr. Brander made burgers. That sounds delicious. Mrs. Jeffers brought the music. Okay, what I would like you to do right now is I want you to pause. You practice reading that paragraph just with all those Mr. and Mrs. in there. Okay, go ahead. All right, did you read that paragraph? Good job, friend. Way to practice those abbreviations. All right, there are more abbreviations that we use all the time. We talk about the days of the week, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all the time, right? We use it to talk about what day we're doing something in the future. We use it to talk about today. So these are all words that are going to be really helpful if we have an abbreviation for them. So these are all the abbreviations for the days of the week. Now, what do you notice about these abbreviations? Go ahead and press pause. Look for some things that are common or the same about all of them. Press play when you're ready to tell me. Okay, did you figure out some things that are the same? Excellent. Yes, you notice. They all use part of the word. Like Monday, they use the beginning part, mun. Tuesday, they use the beginning part, twos. They did that for all of them. Wednesday, wed. Thursday, thurs. Friday, fry. Saturday, set. Sunday, sun. See, they're just using the beginning part of the word and then putting that period there to let the reader know it's an abbreviation. Let's try to look at a calendar of some things coming up. Here is my calendar for the week. And the question I'm going to ask you is, on what day do I need to wash my laundry? I want you to go ahead and press pause. Look carefully at my calendar. When am I going to be doing my laundry? Press play when you're ready to tell me. Did you figure it out? Yeah, here's my laundry basket and my detergent, and I'm going to be doing it on Sat. Oh, yes, Sat is the abbreviation for Saturday. See why I had to put a period right there? I had to do that to let someone know that was an abbreviation. Otherwise, they might just be thinking I'm doing my laundry on the day that I'm sitting somewhere. That doesn't make any sense. Good job. Hey, what question could you ask me about my calendar about something else I might be doing? Yeah, you might ask me, hey, Miss Arwood, what day are you going to the dentist? Well, what day am I going to the dentist, friend? I'm going on Monday. Monday. See, aren't these abbreviations so helpful? Oh, it's going to save me from having to write day over and over. Okay, now we also use months all the time when we're talking about things that are coming up or events that we're going to be attending or planning. So it's really helpful to also have abbreviation for the months. Now you're going to notice something right away. Just like the days of the week, what do you notice it's the same about these abbreviations for the months? Yes, good eye, friend. Yeah, we're just using the beginning of each of the months to be the abbreviation. So look at January becomes Jan, February becomes Feb. Isn't that pretty fun? March becomes Mar. It just is a shortened way to say those words when we're writing without having to write out the whole thing. Remember, we want to put the periods by them too. Now there is one, you can go ahead and look carefully, make a good observation. There is one that is a little bit different. Do you see it? Yes, May. May is already 3 letters long, so we really don't need to abbreviate May anymore. Okay, so that's the only one that doesn't really have an abbreviation. All right, let's see if we can figure out when my birthday is. I have all of my calendar months spread out. Can you press pause? Find the month where it has a birthday celebration, and then press play when you're ready to tell me. Yes, my birthday is in April. Good job. Here's my birthday month. APR, that's the beginning of April. April. Perfect. Hey, when is your birthday? Can you point to the month it's your birthday? Nice. If Miles was here, his birthday is down here with this turkey in November. All right. A few more abbreviations we're going to talk about that are really common are for the words street, avenue, and road. Usually we use these words when we're talking about where we live or if we need directions somewhere. So let's talk about what those abbreviations look like. Street becomes ST, avenue becomes AVE, and road becomes RD. Okay, I want you to practice reading this paragraph using all of those abbreviations and then press play after you're done doing that and we'll read them together. Okay, ready? Did you read it? Here we go. Does Carson live on Main Street, Lois Road, or Eden's Avenue? You did a great job reading that paragraph. Our learning goal for today said, I can read common abbreviations. And it's really helpful to know common abbreviations because they help to give us shortcuts, especially when we're writing. So I want you to be practicing them and looking for them. And maybe think about the abbreviations that you might hear or see in your life every single day. Hint, hint, hint. I bet your teacher uses an abbreviation. Okay, I'll talk to you later, friends. Have fun practicing abbreviations. See you next time.